Seagull detects vessels coming into and going out of the harbor. When a vessel is detected, its type and the timestamp are sent to the harbor's security system. Based on that information, an alarm is generated for the operator, who can register additional details of the vessel. When using infrared cameras, Seagull also recognizes activity on the water at night, which is essential to effectively fight illegal activity. The dashboard displays the statistics collected from passing ships. The time-stamped overview shows the ship's classes, sailing direction, and speed. This example clearly shows that on June 12, at around 11 p.m., 4 different vessels exceeded the speed limit. This counting overview offers the possibility of identifying passing vessels per type, direction, and within a specific period of time. In this example, we select a period from May 16th to June 13th. If we then filter by rigid inflatable boat, we see a peak on the 28th of May, which, in this case, confirms there was a festival on the water that day. The heat map visualizes clearly on which part of the waterways the most activity takes place. And finally, it is possible to specify the sailing direction for each camera setup to keep register of the amount of harbored ships.